Imagine waking up every morning, not to an alarm clock, but to the freedom of choice. No more 9-to-5 grind, no more living paycheck to paycheck. What if I told you that financial independence by 30 or 40 isn't just a dream? It's a reality you can achieve with the right plan. Whether you're just starting out or looking to accelerate your journey, this step-by-step guide will show you how to retire early and live life on your terms. Let's get started. The first step to financial independence is knowing your number. How much money do you need to live comfortably without working? A common rule of thumb is the 4% rule. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. For example, if you need $40,000 a year to live, your financial independence number is $1 million. Use online calculators to figure out your number and set it as your target. Budgeting is your foundation. Track every dollar you spend and identify areas where you can cut back. Cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home, and embrace minimalism. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested toward your future. Apps like YNAB or Mint can help you stay on track. Saving alone won't get you there fast enough. You need to increase your income. Start a side hustle, freelance, or invest in skills that can boost your earning potential. Consider passive income streams like rental properties, dividend stocks, or creating digital products. The more income streams you have, the faster you'll reach your goal. Investing is the engine that drives financial independence. Start early, contribute consistently, and take advantage of compound interest. Max out your 401k and IRA contributions and invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs. Don't try to time the market. Focus on long-term growth. If you're new to investing, consider consulting a financial advisor. As your income grows, resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle. Drive a used car, live in a modest home, and avoid unnecessary debt. The more you can save and invest, the sooner you'll achieve financial independence. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Life is unpredictable. Build an emergency fund with 6 to 12 months of living expenses to protect yourself from unexpected setbacks. Additionally, ensure you have adequate insurance, health, life, and disability to safeguard your financial future. Taxes can eat into your wealth if you're not careful. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs and HSAs. If you plan to retire early, research strategies like the Roth conversion ladder to access your funds penalty-free before age 59 and a half. Financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, avoid emotional decisions, and keep your eyes on the prize. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support your goals. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to the life you've always dreamed of. Financial independence by 30 or 40 isn't just for the lucky few. It's for anyone willing to take action and commit to the process. Start today and take control of your financial future. Retire early, live life on your terms, and unlock the freedom you deserve. Don't wait, your future self will thank you. Ready to take the first step? Live free. Retire early. Achieve financial independence. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom.